Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to undo repost on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, let me open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And as we know guys, that Instagram has just launched a new feature, and this feature allows us to repost something just like on the TikTok. And yeah, it's really cool feature, but usually when I do scrolling on Instagram, I click the repost button accidentally. This is how the repost button looks like. And sometimes I do not realize that I click on this repost icon. And when I want to go back to the post or reel I have reposted, it has already gone. And when you're still in the post or reels, it'll be easier for you to undo. Will let me click on the repost button. Okay, now this post has been reposted on my profile. And when you're still in the post or the reels that you have reposted, you can easily click on this repost icon to undo it. But when you have already scrolled down and then the post is already gone, it will be so hard to undo the repost button because we need to find the post or reels, and then we need to scroll up or maybe scroll down to find the post. And okay, I'm going to show you how we can undo the repost. I'm going to help you to solve the problem if you have the same problem as me. So let's say I accidentally clicked on the repost button, and then the post or the reels is already gone. So when you want to undo it, just go to your profile guys. You can select your profile icon here, and then here you will see repost icon. Wait, let me refresh it. Okay, when you have reposted something, it'll appear on your profile. So just go to your profile. If you cannot see this icon, just refresh your Instagram and you will see this repost icon. Okay, and this is the post I have just reposted. And when you want to undo the repost or unrepost it, just click on this icon. And then the post will be removed from the reposted section on your profile. And when you refresh it, the repost icon will be gone. Okay. So just go to your profile if you want to undo the repost. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.